Okay, today is the first of our 2 online videos, the last 2 days of class, QBUS100, section 10 and 11. You can watch these whenever, but you must watch them before the final. We will get to the final, which is going to be online also. I want to go over test number 1 first, and then I'm going to go over some comparisons, because some of you seem to be confused between present value and future value. So what I want to do is look at number 3 on the take-home test. And basically what we have is $50,000 invested, okay, at 8%. So R equals 8 over 100, 0.08. All right, compounded quarterly, so M, which is our number of compounding periods per year, is 4. And the time of this is 5 years. And what you want to find is S, the future value. Now, a number of you look at this as an annuity. This is not an annuity. One way to do it is there's no R. There's no periodic payment. This is a one-shot payment. One time. When you have a one-time payment, you're either dealing with either simple interest or compound interest. Simple interest is no M, no compounding period. Compound interest, M, could be equal to 1 year, every 6 months, every quarter, 12 months, or continuous, which is a different equation. All right, so in this case, we have 1 period. So here we have compound interest. This is the formula. It's on the formula sheet. A substitute. They invested $5,000. That's your principal. And it's only one time. R is the percentage over 100, 0.08. M is 4, raised to the M. And how many years was it? It was 5. So S is 5,000, 1.02. That's 0.02 raised to the 20th. 5,000 and 1.02 to the 20th. Figure it out for you here. I should turn to my calculations so I have the, rather than just do the answers. Just give me 1 second. Here we go. Okay, so compound interest is 5,000 times 1.486. And our future value is 74,297. So that's after 5 years. We put down P at time 0. Now the second part of this says, calculate your earnings income from this investment. How much did you earn? Well, your earnings income is going to be basically your interest income, which is the future value minus what you put in. So it's 74,297 minus 50,000. So your earnings income becomes equal to 24,297.
Professor, I think the principal's 50,000, but you wrote 5,000 for those.
Oh, it's 50,000. Sorry. Okay, so basically, another one. I should have made it 5,000 with me. Okay.
Well, I was thinking they got a great return on their investment, 74,000.
Yeah, that 74,000 on 5,000 would be.
That's what made me catch it. I was like,
yeah,
whoa,
yeah. I would go out and buy that one right away.
That's right, exactly.
Okay, so this is number 3. This is not an annuity. A number of you use this as a future value annuity. There are no periodic payments, either to you or to the bank. The next one we want to do is number 4. Now number 4. I don't know, people use this. What did I do with my eraser? Once again, here it is. I'm going to erase this. Okay, I'm going to get this off here now, because I need the room. So let's look at number 4. All right, number 4 says, a company deposits $1,500. This is R. $1,500 at the end of each quarter. That's a periodic payment. That tells you you're dealing with an annuity. It's not a one-shot payment. The company deposited $1,500 at the end of each quarter in an account that earns 6.7%. So R is 6.7 divided by 100, 0.067. You're going to need a compounding period. It says quarterly. M equals 4. Now the question is, how long? Therefore, they're asking for T. How long till the account is worth 80,000? So till the balance equals 80,000. All right? This is your future value. The future value is a lump sum in your balance at the end of the period. So this is a future value annuity. And since it says at the end of the period payment is an ordinary annuity, not an annuity due. Has a little bit different equation. So here's our equation. R, the payments. Okay, 1 plus R over M raised to the MT minus 1 divided by R over M. Now, here we know S. This is S. S is 80,000. So we put that over here. We know R. R is 1,500. This is 1 plus 0.067 over 4. Raised to the 4 times T. I don't know what T is. Minus 1. Don't forget the minus 1. A lot of you forgot the minus 1. That's going to lead to a big number. You don't have that. And it's 0.067 over 4. I'm sorry, that's a 6. All right, so first I'm going to divide both sides by 1,500. Just to clean it up a little bit. All right, let me get to my calculations here so I don't have to do everything. Okay. So, all right, 80,000 over. I'm not sure what I did here, but 80,000 over 1,500. You want to put that in the calculator?
Let's see, 80,000
divided by 1,500.
divided. The keys are worn off of this. It's a keyboard.
I know it. I know it by heart. I know
Yeah.
it's an old calculator.
They sell computer keyboards that don't have any numbers or letters on. You just have to touch type and know where you are. I would need to do that on that calculator.
53.3.
Okay.
Okay. So 53.3. That's Brooklyn. And this is going to be, okay, so 0.067 over 4 equals 0.0168. So this is 1.0168 raised to the 4t minus 1 divided by 0.0168. I'm going to multiply both sides by 0.0168. Yeah, I had done this a little bit different way, so I'm going to have to do that again. What did I do? Thank you. Okay, so 0.0168 times 53.3 is 0.0954 equals 1.0168 raised to the 4t minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. So you got 1.0954 equals 1.0168 to the 4t. All right, now our goal is to find t. Now remember when we talked about logs? Okay, when we talked about logs we use when the variable we want was in the power. So I'm going to take the log of both sides. I always use the natural log because my calculator cannot take logs except log to the base 10, 1.0168. Yeah, okay, yeah, log, that's right. Sorry, log 1.0168 4t. Now we have log rule number 5, which is a power rule, which means that anytime I have the log of something raised to the power, I can bring the power in front. We have used that 180 times. If you want to look at the log rules, 4t, log of 1.0168.
This might be a pedantic thing, but should the exponent be within the parentheses?
No.
No? Okay.
No. I mean, I could put it in. No. I always put it outside.
Okay.
Yeah, it's true. It's the log of the whole thing, but that doesn't mean.
Yeah.
Well, you to really be to be mathematically precise should be like that.
Yeah,
but that's okay. This is the way they used to doing it.
Got it. Okay.
Solving for t. T is the log. 1.09. What is it? 1.09 what? 54 over 4 log 1.0168. What did I do? I divided both sides by 4 log of 1. Okay, so the answer comes out to be basically, I believe 9.8. Let me see. Is 9.6 years. Now, a lot of you got 3.8 years. And one of the problems is you use a compound interest formula. This is not. This is a periodic payment. It's not compound interest. It's not one time. That is your answer.
We're at 15 minutes.
Okay, so you want to stop for a minute?
Yeah, we'll do another one.
Okay.